What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Suli G, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for returning. So in this video, I am basically gonna unpack all of my PR boxes with you all because there's just so many, and I wanted to do it on Instagram, but the boxes kept piling and I was like, this is just going to be too long. So I'm gonna share with you guys some of the things that I got here on YouTube. And it'll probably be a two-part video because I do have a lot of stuff. So, I mean, we'll see how this video goes. If I sound congested, please forgive me. I am sick. But I was like, you know what? We have to keep Vlogmas going. I've been loving the consistency of Vlogmas. And so I am determined to continue with these videos. So make sure that you are subscribed and that your post notifications are on so that you catch all of the following pieces of content Vlogmas. So the first thing that we have here is this package from Smashbox, which I didn't even know I was gonna get a package from Smashbox, so that's super dope. It looks like they have a new tinted moisturizer, so they sent over 3 shades, and the shades that they sent over are tan, I think medium tan, yeah, tan, medium tan, and just medium. So we'll have to see if these match my complexion, but based on the packaging, it is vegan, which is great because it's clean, but also the purpose of this tinted moisturizer, the way they market it anyway, is so that, you know, you don't have like cakey foundation, very thick foundation. So this is really light, which I can imagine would be great for like spring and summer. And they also gave us this plumping hyaluronic acid moisturizer that you're supposed to use under your foundation, which I think is super dope because I love anything that's illuminating. This is like an illuminating moisturizer, and I just love like a nice dewy glowy look. So once I get better, I'm going to be trying this because this looks really, really good, and I can't wait to try that. So thank you so much to Smashbox. I really, really appreciate this package. I had no idea they were going to be sending me something, and I'm super happy because I really, really like Smashbox products. So thank you, Smashbox. So the next package I'm going to open up is from Reyna, which is a Hispanic-owned makeup brand. And they've actually sent me stuff before. I really, really love their lip gloss, so I'm excited to try this out. Well, not excited to try this out, excited to open it to see what it is because I'm already a fan of their stuff. So let's see what we have here. Oh yeah. Oh, that's cute. They gave us like little nail stickers so you can add them to your manicure or to whatever. I could add these to mine right now. Dope. Okay, so then we have, oh, is this a gel? Oh, wow. Okay, let's see. I'm thinking, oh, very nice. Okay, so it looks like they collaborated with Orly to do this kind of liqueur collection, or to share this liqueur collection with us, which is dope. And, oh, did they give us more lip gloss? Okay, they gave us a liner. Very nice. They gave us a liner, a bold lipstick color, and a wet to dry eye color. Very, very nice. So these are the 3 here. Now I wonder, okay, so it looks like it's a red one. I was gonna say, I wonder what color this bold lipstick is, but it looks like it's red. Very nice. Ooh, I love. Let's see. Yeah, this is, oh wow, this is really nice. I can't wait to try this. I'm a fan of a red lip. If you guys, you know, if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I love a good red lip. So this is awesome. Thank you so much, Reyna. Okay, so next up is this package from Murad, which I'm so excited and happy to be receiving products from them because this is a brand that even before I was creating content, I really like their stuff, especially their, I think it's like their dark spot gel. It's one of their gels that like removes your blemishes literally like overnight. I'm such a fan of their products. I'm so grateful to be receiving their stuff. Oh my gosh, look at all of this. Okay, let's get into this. So we have, wow, we have an exfoliating cleanser. You don't understand, guys. Skincare makes me so happy. I don't know why. I just feel like it is like the green juice and smoothies of beauty. You know what I'm saying? Like, you feel like you're doing something good for yourself when you indulge in skincare. So, okay, so we have, yes, the Rapid Dark Spot Correcting Serum. This is the one that I was talking about. Okay, this is the one that I was talking about. It's so bomb, you guys. I think this is the one. The serum or the gel? Let's see. Invisalign Resurfacing Treatment. It might be that one. I'm not sure. Exfoliating facial. Wow. The City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer. Rapid Relief. Okay, this is the one. This is the one. Rapid Relief Acne Spot Treatment. This is the one. This, if you need to get rid of blemishes, this right here will literally make your blemishes peel right off. It's awesome. It is thebomb.com. And then a retinol youth serum. Oh man. Wow, that is so much stuff that I got from Euron. Thank you guys so much. I'm so happy. I can't wait to try this out. Okay, so this next package is from Osea, and I've never tried their stuff, but I've seen a lot of their ads on Instagram. So I'm excited to be opening this up because I've been wanting to try their stuff for a while. So the fact that they sent me stuff makes me very happy. And let's see what they sent over. So we have a Salt of the Earth body scrub, an ocean cleanser that purifies and balances your skin, affirming moisturizer, hyaluronic C serum. Hyaluronic products are becoming very popular now, I'm seeing, because I'm getting a lot of these products. And then we have a body oil. So thank you so much to Osea. Okay, so if you watched my last video, you know that I was gifted some products by Dr. Jarts. And so I definitely did try out the mask that they sent over, one of the first masks. And so they sent a few of them. So this is, these are the other ones that they sent over. They sent over a brightening solution, clearing solution, soothing solution, all solution. And they also sent over their holiday kit. Oh, okay, so it came in this box, I'm sorry. The Dr. Jart mask came in this holiday box here. And they also sent over this Hydrate and Soothe Set holiday gift. What is it, like a holiday? Maybe it's not a holiday, but it looks like it's a holiday gift. So yeah, this is some of the stuff that they sent over. So more skincare. There is no reason that my skin should not be looking top tier for the new year with all this stuff I have going on. So thank you so much, Dr. Jarts. Okay, so next up is a personal favorite. If you know me, you know how I feel about Drunk Elephant. And not because I work with them or anything, because I have not. I've just seen the transformation in my skin and working with them. I mean, oh my God, and trying their stuff. And so, let's see what they sent over. Oh, okay, so this is the change. So normally Drunk Elephant sends over skincare stuff, but they do have a hair and body line. So it looks like they sent over their Laney Latherless Conditioning Coat Cleanser. Which this is something I've never tried before. I'm not really big on like cold washing or cold cleansing, but I do love Drunk Elephant's conditioner, and I actually love all their hair products and their body products because their lotion was really good too. So I'm open to trying this out. I need to wash my hair anyway, so I'm probably gonna end up using this. So yes, thank you so much, Drunk Elephant. Thank you. So I think I'm gonna make this next one my last one because this video is getting kind of long, and I noticed that a lot of the stuff that I'm unpacking is skincare. So I like to make, you know, one video skincare and then the other video hair care. So this next gifting is from By Ro, which I'm hoping that I'm saying this correctly. But this is from By Ro. They sent me a whole bunch of skincare products. And I just want to say their packaging is so beautiful. And I think that, yeah, they are a New York City brand. And so here we have a rice cleansing sorbet, which let's take a moment to appreciate this packaging because this looks beautiful. So I'm assuming that this is a cleanser. Yeah. Oh, okay. So this is like a makeup melter. Oh, very nice. I love a good makeup melter. So this is bomb.com. And this is the toner, which I also love toners, specifically toners that help with blemishes. Now, I'm not sure if this one does that, but that's okay. And then we have the Truffle Eye Serum. Look at all these beautiful butterflies. And so it came with this little thing, and it looks like it has black truffle, summer truffle, and white truffle in it. So I'm gonna open this up and start using this today because I haven't been doing a good job at taking care of like my eyes and using eye creams and stuff. And for whatever reason, this just made me want to get back to it. I think it's because of all the little chocolate truffles, but this is also like, the packaging is really cute because you can just tap it on instead of having to put your finger in a pot type thing. So thank you so much, Byro, for this. This final unboxing that we're gonna do for this video is from one of the PR agencies that sends me over stuff. And they sent over Desi's Vitamin C Glow Serum. Desi has been on my list for a while for skincare. I've been wanting to try her stuff. I have her shades, but I've always admired her skincare. And so this is definitely gonna be like top of my list products to try, especially because it's vitamin C. I mean, vitamin C, anything is always good. But then we have Complex Culture. This is their mascara. And we also have their, what's this? Oh, a lip gloss. Oh, I should open this to see what shade this is. Let's see. Oh my God, look how beautiful this is. This is like a, you know what this is bomb for? I don't know if you guys like glossy lids, but if you do like an eyeshadow look and you want to have a glossy lid, you normally just get like a really plain lip gloss and just put it on top of your lid, and this one looks just like that. Or you could just use this if you want to put this over a nice lipstick. But either way, this is bomb to keep in your purse. So okay, this is very nice. So this is from Complex Culture. They also gave us, what is this that we have here? A highlighting duo. Let's open this and see what this is like. I really like their packaging. Even the feel of it is really nice. Let's see. Let's see. Oh my, yes, with the packaging. Okay, this is the highlighter. Oh my goodness. I mean, this is beautiful. What in the world? Oh no, I feel like, I know I'm sick, but I want to try and do a makeup look tomorrow if I can. If I have the energy, which I think I should by tomorrow, at least to be in the house. You know, like I'm not going anywhere. But I'm gonna try because I want to try all these things. I want to play in this stuff. Okay. Wow, this is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. So then we have a plum eye cream from Lather. We have a relaxing quiet night balm from Lather. And then we also have, a lipstick from Complex Culture, which, let's open this because, you know, their packaging is bomb, so you never know what you're gonna open when you open their stuff. Oh my God, look, so this is like a matte feel. How beautiful. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, Complex Culture, thank you so much. And to be completely honest, I have not heard of this brand before until right now. So, you know, looking at the quality of their products, I'm gonna do a little bit more research on this brand because, wow. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below if so. This technically was like a skincare PR unboxing. Tomorrow I'll be uploading a hair and makeup unboxing so that I can split the videos up evenly. So let me know what you guys thought about this, if you like this kind of video, and if you like any of these products, if you've used any of these brands or products. So I'll see you guys in tomorrow's Vlogmas video. Later.